Sometimes you have to completely lose yourself to finally meet the version of you that you were always meant to be. Rock bottom isn't the end. It's the truth that sets you free. I'm Kelsey McKay, and I teach transformation from experience, not theory. Because I've been there, staring at the wreckage of a life that didn't fit anymore. I was so tired of the chaos. I was tired of my own destructive patterns. I was tired of pretending that I was fine when deep down I knew I was living a version of myself that just wasn't real. And that was the beginning of my transformation. See, everyone talks about success and becoming your best self. But what they don't tell you is that the transformation often starts when everything falls apart. When your old identity stops working for you, when the mask doesn't fit anymore, and when you can't lie to yourself for one more day. That's when clarity begins. It's not about fixing yourself because you're not broken. It's about remembering who you actually are underneath all of those stories, the coping and the survival. The version of me that you see now, she was born out of rock bottom, out of choosing to stop running from my truth, out of choosing sobriety, out of choosing the biggest one, accountability, out of realizing that I wanted a different life. I had to become a different me. So I really want to talk about sobriety. It's not for everyone, but it's not just about not drinking. It's not about white-knuckling your way through life and calling that growth. True sobriety is about becoming someone who no longer needs or even desires to escape. It's about embodying the version of you who feels so at peace, so whole, that you don't have to numb out any longer. It's about facing your emotions, standing in your truth, and creating a life that doesn't require you to check out from it. That's the difference between abstaining and transforming. One is survival and the other is freedom. Now, when you hit rock bottom, you have two choices. Stay buried in the rubble of your story or start rebuilding from the truth. And that truth is fucking powerful. Because once you meet the version of yourself that refuses to give up, you can never go back. If you're in that place right now, I want you to know this. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt. Chaos is the collapse of what no longer serves you. Clarity is what rises when you stop fighting it. So take a breath with me. Let that old version fall away. You're not losing yourself. You're finding your power. Now, if this message hits home and you're ready to rise from your own rock bottom and rewrite your story, hit subscribe, hit like. Come join me on this journey at the McKay Project. Because this is where we rise from the ashes. We own our truth. We transform our lives. One real, honest moment at a time. And I'll see you in the next episode.